Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about kites. And so the definition of a kite is that it is a quadrilateral where there are two distinct pairs of congruent sides. And those congruent sides have to be adjacent to each other. So in this kite that I've drawn here, we have this pair of congruent sides and this pair of congruent sides. And so this is a kite. But of course, we define this because there are loads of other special properties that comes along with having this stipulation. And so one of this is that, well actually, let me name our name our angles first. For some reason, this is called a vertex angle, and this, which is not equal to this angle, this is also a vertex angle. And these two angles here are non-vertex angles. Non-vertex angles. And non-vertex angles are congruent. So I will draw a slash like this. These two angles are congruent. Another helpful thing when you're trying to solve for the area of the kite in particular actually, is that if you draw two diagonals, so one going from here to here and one going from here to here, you'll notice that one, they bisect each other, or well, this line is bisected. This line isn't quite bisected, sorry. One of them is bisected, and they create 90-degree angles. So if you're asking, why, Chloe, how do you find the area of this kite? Well, the answer is quite simple. You take, well, let's just say that this is diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. You take diagonal 1 and you multiply it by diagonal 2 in order to get the area of a shape that looks like this. And then you notice that you only want half of this huge rectangle that you have, right? So if you kind of split this like this, put these into boxes like this, you only want this portion of it. You only want the area of this portion. So you divide it by 2, and that is the area formula for a kite. Diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2, and you have the area of a kite. And this works because you are basically breaking down these shapes into a lot of right triangles. Actually, I wish I could say that kites were more interesting than this, but this is all I have. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Good luck on your homework sets.